Tired of wrestling with a clunky, weak vacuum cleaner? Are you spending precious weekends battling dust and dirt instead of enjoying your free time? Then say hello to the UMLO V11 cordless stick vacuum, the ultimate cleaning solution. With its 300W brushless motor and incredible 30 kPa suction power, this powerhouse tackles any mess with ease. Imagine deep cleaning your carpets, effortlessly picking up pet hair, and even tackling those hard-to-reach spots in your car, all with one unbelievably powerful machine. Video shows the different attachments and power modes. 3 power modes give you complete control. Need a quick clean? Use low mode for up to 60 minutes of runtime. Tackling a bigger mess? High mode's got you covered, delivering powerful suction for 20 minutes. Plus, its lightweight design and self-standing feature make cleaning a breeze. No more awkward maneuvering or tipping over. And cleanup is a snap. The large 0.8L dustbin minimizes interruptions, and it's easily emptied with a push of a button. Plus, it comes with a convenient wall mount for effortless charging and storage. Video shows a montage of happy customers using the UMLO V11. Don't waste another minute battling dirt. The UMLO V11 is your secret weapon for a sparkling clean home. But here's the deal. This incredible offer won't last forever. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount and free shipping. Click the link below. Use code CLEANHOME10 for an extra 10% off and experience the UMLO V11 difference today. Reclaim your weekends and say goodbye to dirt forever. Don't miss out. Order now.